Hello everybody, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. I'm Bertrand. So, do you have trouble hearing the sounds of your iPhone? Or maybe you want to make the sound louder or softer? In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound settings on your iPhone step by step. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tap on your settings icon. Then you're going to want to scroll down to where it says sound and haptics. And then tap on it. Now you're going to want to go to where it says ringtone and alerts. And here you just simply take your finger, put it on the screen, and drag it to the volume that you want it to be. If you want to be able to change the sound with your buttons, tap on change with buttons. And this will allow you to change your sound with your buttons. Under this settings, you can also change the type of ringtone that you want. For example, if you tap on the ringtone, you'll see a list of ringtones that you can change. To select one, you simply tap on it. And now you have selected that ringtone. And you can do that for any of the things that you see in here. For example, for new voicemail, for new mail, for sent mail, you can choose a ringtone for each of those different settings. Now that you know how to adjust your settings on your iPhone, you can customize the sound to your liking. If you have any questions about your iPhone, please feel free to comment. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech tips for seniors and baby boomers. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.